In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if PDFtk is installed. Now, as you can see here on my screen, obviously PDFtk is installed for me, but if you're not sure, you can go and, if you're in Windows, open up a command prompt. So go down here and you want to type in CMD or command prompt and you want to click on it. You could also open up PowerShell on Windows if you want to. Both are going to work. Or if you are on Linux or Mac OS, you want to open your terminal. Now in here, what you want to do is type in this specific thing. So you want to do PDFtk and then a space bar, and then you want to do two of these lines or dashes and type in version, okay? So once you've typed it in exactly as I did over here, press enter. Once you do this, if it is successfully installed, this will print the version number and build details of your PDFtk installation, just like it says over here, okay? So that's essentially all you have to do to check if PDFtk is installed. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.